Hello, and thank you for tuning in. This video is going to be on how I made my Texas Chainsaw Massacre 1974 feathered skull with a Viking cup or horn through the mouth. Now the skull I got was one of those anatomy skulls that you get off of Amazon, so I had to remove the spring that attaches the mandible to the top portion of the mouth. Once that was gone, I then hot glued the mandible in an open position. Knowing that the twine attachment and load-bearing point of this piece was the jawbone, I knew that I had to make it super secure, so I wired the mandible in place, and later on I camouflaged it with some feathers. Next I took my feathers and tore them into small pieces like they were in the movie. Then I took my hot glue gun and hot glued feathers all around the skull, simulating a crown of feathers. Once I finished with the feathers, the crown, and camouflaging the black wires, and putting sporadic feathers here and there, it was then time to place the Viking cup into his mouth and hot glue it into place. Here I'm putting more hot glue and then camouflaging the hot glue with some more feathers. And then finally it was time to attach the twine to the mandible that the whole piece hangs from. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.